Hello everybody, we are live coming out of Mystic Harbor just behind me, and I am here with Captain Angela Taylor of Cito Eastern CT, and she's assisting us with this driftwood launch. We got a gorgeous day and we're going to be heading out to Fisher's Island. It's going to take us about 20 minutes to get out there, and I'll just give you a nice little view of where we're going. I'm gonna record a little bit and then I'll stop to save the battery, and hopefully we'll have internet connection out there and you'll get to see the drop live. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more.